Alright boys, today we're going to install this little sucker right here. Prop this up, and you do this by a very small flathead screwdriver, or if you want to play it safe, get you one of these suckers. These are plastic pry bars. There we go. Hold this up gently. Now ideally you don't want to pry off this plastic, the black one. You want to pry the silver, so you're going to pry away from this plastic from here. But it decided to come off all completely, so that's fine. We'll just leave it there. But this is what we want off. Okay, so once you see this here, you will notice there's a little zip tie here. So you're going to clip that off so you can actually remove the boot. Now you can peel this off. So now just twist it off. Comes off. So we got a 14. Gonna put it around there and then twist it off. I'm almost there. It's kind of a pain in the ass, just so you guys know. Finally got it off. Ooh, that sucker got hot. You're gonna use this piece as an adapter, and now we're gonna start screwing it in. We're gonna hand tighten this on there until you go to the bottom. You see a set screw right here. This kind of locks it in place. So now we can throw the beautiful PRL shift knob. And that little O-ring just keeps it from moving around and making all kinds of noise. Alright, there you go. Tighten it to the position you want it. In case your OCD kicks in, guys, you see it might be a little bit tilted to the right or a little bit shifted to the left, actually. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unscrew it, and then I'm going to move the base of it just slightly so I can have it centered where I want it, because otherwise my OCD is going to go crazy. Aligned perfectly the way I want it, so I'm going to throw everything back in place. So take it off so you can actually put this sucker back on. Alright, so once you get it right here, you'll feel the little ring here, that little lip. That's where you're going to put the zip tie on. So you have a low profile zip tie now. Now you can clip this off. Alright, so now screw this back in. Give it a good tightening. Don't mind that motion. And there it is.
Not the first time you've done that.
And then put the clips back in place. Make sure that they're lined up so you don't break the clips. And we're all done.